Welcome back to another episode of All Things Weather with Anthony and Brody. Now, we're getting into that winter time months. It's going to get even colder. We might have some winter weather around. So let's kind of brush up on our extreme cold products and our winter weather products. Now, the last couple months, in the past couple of years, the Weather Service has been updating some products and changing things around, combining some things, and they've pushed out some latest new products in regards to the extreme cold that we could see. Now, originally we had extreme cold watch and a wind chill watch. That has now been combined into an extreme cold watch. Just one product, an extreme cold watch. Kind of the same thing for extreme cold warning. Extreme cold warning and a wind chill warning now has been condensed into the extreme cold warning, and then a wind chill advisory now is just being changed, kind of the wording, to a cold weather advisory. So let's take a look at the criteria for each one of these products. Now, cold weather advisory, remember that's replacing the wind chill advisory. The criteria for that is for air temperatures 5 degrees or between 5 degrees and 5 below 0 degrees, so that's the temperature criteria, or feels like temperatures in that area as well, 5 degrees to 5 below 0. Now, going into extreme cold watch, that's when you need to be prepared and stuff like that, and that is for air temperatures 6 degrees below 0 or colder, or feels like temperatures 6 below 0 or colder. And then extreme cold warning is basically the same thing as extreme cold watch, but that's when, again, temperatures 6 below 0 or colder, or feels like temperatures 6 below 0 or colder. Now let's take a look at the winter weather products that we have. We see a lot of these a lot of the times during the wintertime months here in Northeast Mississippi. So let's kind of brush up on them in the criteria needed. Winter weather advisory, you want to exercise caution. The criteria for that is snow 1 to 2 inches, and then up to 1/4 of an inch of ice, so that would be freezing rain, that would fall as ice. Sleet, up to 1/2 of an inch of sleet, and then travel impacts are expected with a winter weather advisory. Winter storm watch, you want to be prepared, you want to stay up to date, charging your phones, getting those supplies ready to go. And a winter storm watch is when a 50% confidence or greater that winter storm warning criteria will be met. Now, going into winter storm criteria, the criteria for that is 2 inches of snow or greater, okay? Sleet, 1/2 of an inch or greater as well, and then ice, 1/4 of an inch or greater. Now, ice storm warnings, we don't see these much here, but we do see them from every 2 to 3, 4, 5 years from now each year. Ice accumulations 1/4 of an inch or greater is expected, and freezing rain would be the only precipitation type that is possible for an ice storm warning. So that's a look at their winter weather products, your extreme cold products. Anthony, are we expecting any type of winter weather in the forecast in the next 7 days?
Yeah, Brody, unfortunately for us, we're not going to see any frozen precip because we know in Mississippi when that happens, it can lead to all chaos. Although Huntsville did see some flurries the other day, none for us here in North Mississippi. Right now, we are in the mid-50s. No rain really to talk about over the last couple of days, but there's going to be a chance later today. Dew point still relatively low. The winds are out of the south, and that is what's leading to a bit of a warm-up. So high pressure, there it is. It's moving out further to the east. And eyes are right now on this low pressure. You see that moisture, you see those greens coming in. That is more moisture coming in, and that will aid in some rainfall chances later today. So let's time that out for you. That low will get closer to us along with the cold front. Now, it's going to be cloudy for the rest of the day today. Notice the showers pushing in around dinner time. It's really going to be an all-nighter thing from about 9 o'clock to about 2 o'clock. And notice how that front passes in. Some lingering showers are going to be possible around daybreak. But we will clear out and we will cool down once again. It's going to be a really cool start to your Friday. Frigid temperatures in the mid-20s. So not those wind chill warnings that you were talking about, Brody, a little bit earlier, but definitely a cool start. Tupelo as cold as 21 degrees. In the afternoon, we'll stick in the 30s even as late as 11 o'clock. Sun will come out, but temperatures will only get to the 40s on your Friday afternoon, and another cool beginning to your weekend with lows in the 20s once again on your Saturday. So as you're studying, I'm giving a B+ to Wednesday. It will be windy out there. We'll be feeling like the lower 40s, I think, for a lot of the afternoon. But hey, it's a good excuse to study. As you're taking your first finals on Friday, I'm getting a C- because as you're walking to your finals, definitely need to bundle up, layer up. Definitely don't forget to bring anything to your finals. Temperatures will only peak out in the low to mid 40s. And Saturday, I'm giving it an A because, hey, 52 seems like a summer day compared to the weather that we've been getting over the last couple of weeks, because we certainly flipped the switch with that weather. We were in the 70s a couple weeks ago, and now the best we can do is the lower 50s. But I'm expecting more showers to make a part of the area. There's that cold outbreak via that low pressure, but what's happening here is this is called a Rex block pattern. For the next couple of days, we'll be dry, and that's because this high and low are working together and staying in that same place. But notice this low activates as we head towards Saturday and Sunday, and I'm expecting another round of rain chances for early next week for your second potentially round of finals. So rain will begin sometime Sunday afternoon. Notice widespread rainfall, so Sunday may even be a washout. That rain continues to push in on Monday. Monday will be a pretty rainy day. Now the timing on this, when it's going to end, we don't know, but we're looking at a Sunday afternoon to a Monday morning / Monday afternoon type deal, and then we'll finally push out, clear out Tuesday. Still some scattered showers around, but that main heavy weather maker will be away from us. I mentioned that high to low blocking our weather for the next couple of days. Well, that's going to give up, and there's going to be even more rain chances in the extended period as well, not just for tonight, not just for Monday, but also in the, I guess, if we had a 10-day, 11, 12-day outlook, you'd see more rain chances there. So for today, putting a 60% chance of rain, we'll see some afternoon or evening showers. Tomorrow will turn breezy and cool. Friday even cooler than Thursday. Temperatures remain below normal to start off the weekend. Then Sunday we start introducing that rain chance. Monday, temperatures get into the 60s, but that's going to mean that moisture comes in, and that's going to mean that we're going to be fairly rainy.